Marvelous evening to one and all. This side Sahil Kumar is speaking point of view. So guys, what is my topic today? Today my topic is going to about bicycle. Yes, you heard it right. And you can see I'm sitting on the bicycle. And today I'm going to explain about a bicycle. First I want to tell you a bicycle invented in the 9th century. 19th century, yes, you heard it right. I know if I talk about its part, you can see this is the brake, this is the pedals, and it is the two wheels of bicycle. First one, second one, and if I talk about the other part, you can see this is the chain, and you can see this is the ring. Is it walking, guys? You can see. Are you able to listen? Yes, of course. This is walking. And if I talk about the benefit of bicycle, if at all you want to fit as a fiddle, you have to running bicycle. Only this is possible. You can become in a good health like a Virat Kohli, like a other person. And everyone wants to save two things in their life. Can you guess? Can you guess, guys? That is money. If you use bicycle, you can save money. You can save fuel. So this is the benefit of bicycle. And who can use bicycle? Every can use. If I talk about children, they use for fun. But if I talk about old, they use for exercise, because it is good for our health. If you run every day bicycle, and some people use for delivery and daily basis work, and you can overcome from pollution, traffic, because nowadays you can see the pollution is increasing day by day, and if we are not able to overcome, so you can overcome pollution through the bicycle, and you can save money. And if I talk about what, can you guess? If I talk about how to safety from bicycle, you have to always use helmet while the running bicycle. So these are the thought, my point, feeling, emotion about the bicycle. So I'm done. But let me tell you guys, I'll come back again with a creative thought, innovation thought. Let me tell you guys, I'll come with a new version of Sahil with a new topic on this same podium, on this same place, front of you. So that's it. Please accept my salute, then humble gratitude. I'm done.